What's going on my side? Wagwan, big up yourself, big up yourself. Good ease, good as, yeah. But there, another video, yeah. So not this video, yeah. Me I go through my closet. You see, in another video, me did start the shoes, yeah. But every so often, me get the urge for just spring cleaner and get rid of stuff, yeah. So we are come up on the end of summer, and I have stuff that I don't wear, and I want to just give away, right? So what we're going to do is prop you guys, find a spot phono. So we're gonna put you guys right here. So let's go ahead and bring you guys down so you can see me.
Times late under the moon, and I thank God I'm breathing, and I pray don't take me soon, cause I am here for a reason. Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down. There's no one negativity surround.
See where we're sitting with certain clothes. Yeah, we still wear our shirt there. We don't wear this. We don't wear that. So let's just drop that there. Our Aaliyah shirt, we definitely wear that. We haven't worn that, but we need it. I feel like I am gonna be losing weight for some of these, but I'm just not in that vibe, you know. And some of these shirts aren't inside out, but so I can't really tell. Is that Princess in the Park? Oh no, that's Moana. When you guys spring clean, how do you guys go about it? What do you guys just randomly get the urge like I do? What is it that you guys do? Do you get a sit down family team meeting or what? I text my nephew just now, and I told him to go through his closet and see what he wants to wear, what he doesn't want to wear, and definitely not in this era anymore. Will he do it? I don't know what is up with him and listening. It's just not his strong suit. It's really not. I don't know when it will become his strong suit, if it ever will be his strong suit. But currently at 13, it's not his cup of tea. And I told myself I was gonna I need to figure out what I want to do about my hangers, because I do have extra hangers, and I want to stop throwing them up in this corner here. I want to do something about that. Let me see here. Let me see. So how do you guys go about getting rid of your old clothes that don't fit anymore? How do you guys? Drop in the comments, talk to me, people. Trying to work on how I get you guys to engage with my videos, because I feel like I've been pretty consistent lately, especially now that I'm back posting. But I just haven't figured out how to engage. My shorts, my YouTube shorts, people are engaging there, but as far as my YouTube videos, I haven't. People aren't engaging there. Not really sure where the there is. Where the crossover or the confusion is, but corset, I have plans for that. Oh, let's see. My wife is in there meal prepping and she has to have music playing. That's the difference between my wife and I. I don't need music. See, the thing, she was raised in a big family, I was not. And so I'm okay with silence. And she, on the other hand, she is not. she needs noise. Me, child, please. I'm good with silence because my thoughts occupy me. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I don't know. But I can keep myself busy. Like, I mean, I've been talking for 6 minutes straight already. I feel like I didn't give this a good amount of weird. Please don't. Let me go up top here because there is some skirts that I can get rid of. Let me see. Oh snap, my bad, y'all. My bad. Hold on. Right here. See, I can see it. See you, girl. Still in my long skirt. There is a pair of jeans. This one that I'm gonna let go of. They got the rips and stuff in there. I think this pair of sweatpants I'm gonna let go of because of how my quad muscles is. It feels a little weird. I don't know how to describe it. This pair of pink pants, the crotch feels weird. Let go of these. This skirt, yeah. These are leggings, so I'm gonna put them. These don't have the pockets though, right? So I'm gonna let these go. I think there's a themed. I feel like there's a theme that these go with, but because I don't know if it will ever come up, watch I let them go and then there's a actual event. That always happens. An actual event that they apply to. That's what's gonna happen. Leather skirt. You know what's crazy is that I'm donating this to my job. So it's like some of these should not be like this, should not be donated to my job. But we have teenage girls, you know what I'm saying? Did I just low-key give my job away? You know, whatever. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? I'm trying to buffer. I think that's pretty much actually this pants might, yeah. I'm gonna give away this LSU. I did wear it, and give away this jersey too. Cause these kids be having jersey day and stuff. Well, you guys, I think I pretty much got rid of all. This is trash. I need to put these dresses to wear. So look, y'all. That's the entire pile of clothes I'm donating. Do you guys see how fast I just went through that? And I still have a closet full of clothes. This is my side. Mind y'all, all my pants and skirts are up there. And this is my, like, so don't think like, oh my gosh, she just got rid of all her clothes. I did not get rid of all my clothes. Oh, I can get rid of this pants too. Yeah, I can get rid of that pants too. Because I just think that if I'm not putting stuff to good use, and I know for a fact that there's people that can, why not? You know what I'm saying? Like, that would be really inconsiderate of me. Let me go ahead and look at my shoes one good time and move stuff out the way real quick. Look at my shoes. I don't think I actually need to put my shoes to wear. And I think what I'm gonna do is rearrange my shoes. Not in this video, but do a video of me rearranging my shoes when I get the new shoe boxes, because there's some shoes that can actually go to the bottom because they're like winter shoes, and like the Ugg slippers and stuff like that. I'm not gonna wear that, you know what I'm saying? So because it's not ever winter here, if that makes sense. So that's not applicable at this time. But what am I trying to say? I feel like I'm rambling. But they need to organize her side, no shade, no tea. But I'm gonna get a bag, put that in my car so that my coworkers can bring it to the rainbow room, and hang up the rest of my laundry. Why am I need to get the hang of this joystick, child. So that concludes gathering a bag to donate, and I'm gonna bring that to my job tomorrow and put that in the donation room.